Hi, everybody. This is Vonda Brunson, traumatologist and licensed massage therapy, practicing here at your Infinite Wellness Center. I've had people ask me, so what's included in this year-long program that you're offering? Well, I guess I should have been more clear. What I'm offering is unlimited manual therapies, which include massage, especially those who have chronic pain conditions, so that we are addressing those postural distortions that put you in pain. We're going to eliminate that so that you can learn to live your life pain-free. It also includes unlimited craniosacral therapy sessions, as well as unlimited lymphatic drainage sessions. We do body parts, like breast, or head, neck, and face. So, those are the manual therapies that are covered in there. Again, it's unlimited sessions for 1 year. Then again, we offer the energetic and consciousness-based work. We have unlimited body talk sessions, and these can be done in office and online, long distance, as well as quantum entrainment and the healing codes. So you get unlimited sessions, 1 full year of all of those therapies that are offered in office and online. Now, most people don't know you can do lymphatic drainage and craniosacral long distance, so you don't always have to make time to come into the office. And as an added bonus, if you purchase by December 20th, or at least make a deposit, I will include unlimited sessions of Cryoskin. And what we do with the Cryoskin is we do the cryofacials, where we use the cold. It helps to increase the collagen, and it gives you like a facelift. And we offer body and toning and slimming. So the cold is sub-zero, and it creates cryolipolysis, which is a way to kill the fat cells. So when you lose inches, and you do lose inches, and you see measurable results in your first session, that's a permanent weight loss because those cells are dead, and your body's going to flush them out. Now, people have to understand you can't get it done daily. The slimming can be done every 2 weeks, and it can be done for the abdomen, for the arms, for that back fat you have, and hips and thighs. Also, we can toning. So we can do that butt lift, give you that apple bottom. We can tone those arms so they stop waving when you stop waving. We can do this here, get that double chin gone, and just a multitude of things. So, for the 1 year program, it includes all of that. Unlimited sessions, one-time fee. Never before and never again, $6,000 by December 24th. Again, $6,000 for 1 year of unlimited services. And if you make a deposit by the 20th, I'll include the unlimited Cryoskin sessions. So, don't delay, hurry up, get with me, and let's get you looking good and feeling good. Again, I'm Vonda Brunson, traumatologist, licensed massage therapist at your Infinite Wellness Center. See you on the other side. It's Vandette again at your Infinite Wellness Center. And probably I should have mentioned some of the things or problems that we can help you address. Uh, the services I offer improve many conditions such as arthritis, allergies, migraines and headaches, chronic neck and back pain, TMJ, chronic fatigue and fibromyalgia, menstrual disorders, sugar metabolism and digestive disorders, poor immune function, chronic viruses and infections, stress, scars, PTSD and head injuries, phobias, as well as wrinkles. So, if you suffer from any of these or you know someone who does, please contact me. Let's set up an appointment for a consultation for you. And if not for yourself, why not give the gift of health and wellness to someone you love? All right, again, it's Vandette Brunson signing off. See you on the other side.